What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha, and today I'm bringing you the Lulu pony. The Lulu pony. Now listen, I've been wearing this hair for about 2 weeks. This is my birthday hairstyle, and I actually love it. So I'm about to install it again. I went to go get another one. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It was $13.99. I got a 1B. My hair is technically a 4, but I put a rinse in there last week, so I got a 1B. And we're gonna try this out. Like, I've been rocking it for like 2 weeks. Everybody like, oh, I love your hair. Who did your hair? Okay, so prior to recording, I braided my hair. I added some hair and I braided it to my hair, and I wrapped it around and made it into a little bun. I also pre-did my tracks already because, you know, I'm on a time crunch right now. So what I did was I think I added like 3 tracks. I added 3 tracks. I curled it actually. I did a little wand curl a little bit. It's kind of dropping because it's been a minute. So I tried to do that real quick or whatever. I laid my edges, but the way my hair set up, my edges do not lay. Like, it does not stay. It just will curl up. No matter how much spritz or, you know, what is this, freeze, no matter how much spritz I put on my hair, it just does not lay. I put gel, I put spritz, it don't lay. My hair just don't lay. It's gonna curl up, like, for a fact. So anyway, I got the Lulu pony in the style Mimi 1B. I got a 1B. So it comes basically with a hairnet on. It comes like this with a hairnet. I'm gonna take the hairnet off. Look at these curls, y'all. This is like, is this like a loose wave? I think it's like a loose wave. And it's synthetic hair. You know, it's not meant to, you know, last forever or a good 6 months, but this is synthetic hair. Look at these curls. I love curly hair. Oh my god. This is a loose wave. Maybe a loose deep. I think it's giving loose deep. It don't look like body wave. It look like body wave in a way of how the waves are, but body waves is more looser, like if I comb it out. But it's giving like loose deep maybe. And it come in different colors. It come in a 1B30, a 227, a 230, and a T2 burgundy. So if you want different colors, I don't know if you can see that, but if you want different colors, I don't know if you can see that, but it comes in different colors. So y'all, so this is how it look. It got the net in here. It come on one comb on the top, one comb on the bottom, and a drawstring, if you can see that. Yep. So all you do is you put it on top of your bun. So I'm going to put the comb inside. I'm going to like dig it under. I know some people put it on the bun, but I like to dig it under the bun. Under the bun, one comb on top, one comb on the bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull that drawstring. Hold on, sis, because you're tangling. You're going to pull that drawstring to tighten it. Boom. So you pull the drawstring to tighten it. Make sure it's tucked. And what I like to do, I like to wrap this around, because you never know. Because I got to stick them up sometimes. You never know. You get to talking, whatever. And first thing somebody going to do is pull that ponytail off. So we're going to secure this. We're going to tuck it. We're going to pull it. We're going to pull this drawstring around. And then I'm going to pin it. So we're going to put the bobby pin in, right? So it's looking good. It's looking good. We're going to pin it, right? And I also like to do is take a piece of here and also wrap it around. Like, I gel this, and you're going to wrap it around your bun so you really can't see where you put your drawstring, or like you can't tell if it's a real ponytail or not. So we're gonna wrap that all around, and we're gonna pin that on that side. But y'all, check out Lulu Pony. They got a lot of different styles, a lot of different ponytails, long, short, afro pubs, like all different types of ponytails that you can just put on your hair and go. This is literally like the easiest hairstyle I ever done. Just put it in. It took me less than 10-15 minutes. But yeah, check out Lulu Pony in style Mimi. And it says you can curl it here, but you don't really have to. You can leave it as is. And I'm just going to gel the rest of my edges and lay it down until I'm ready to run out. But thank y'all for watching my video. Let me know if I should do more hair reviews. Let me know. Thank you for sticking around to the end. See ya in the next girl, don't play with me. I'm a drawstring ponytail girl now. Do not play with me. Like, what? Yo, back in the day, I would have like 2 or 3 bundles in my hair with mad bobby pins. Like, why would I do that to myself? I would have never thought I would be a drawstring ponytail girl. Like, look at these curls. Oh, okay, yeah. Don't sleep on a drawstring. I'm telling this to myself, because why did you sleep so long? Like, girl, it's 2023. You should have been woke. But yeah, we getting Lulu ponies now. We get wraparound ponytails now. What are we doing? Like, I've been doing the bundles for a long time. It would be like 2 or 3 bundles. Curls ain't even popping the way I need to. But these curls right here, oh yeah.